customer feedback analysis. So for basically we take the picture of the customer and ask him which product do he like and ask him for the feedback. Once he answers, then we will analyze his statement and come to the point whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. So we made this project in Python. As you can see, we are in Jupyter Notebook. So we take these libraries, dphase, Python image library, computer vision, matplot, speech recognition, textplot. So here we put the part of the image. So first of all, you have to download these libraries: dphase, CV2, matplot, textplot, and speech recognition. And also you have to install py audio. So here is the path of the image, and you have to store this file in the library of Python. So I have stored this here. You can upload from here and choose your file from the computer or your PC laptop. So from here we start the scan of image or start to read the image, and here dphase will start and it will analyze the image. So we use this command to initialize our mic so that it can listen what we have said. So it will start by the statement for which product you want to give the review. So it will then say listening, and then mic will start. So it will goes for 3 seconds. You can adjust seconds from here, whether it is 4, 5. So let's take 3 for example. And once the mic will work and go to the end, so it will display times of thanks. So if it recognizes our sound or audio, then it will convert it to text. And if it don't recognize our audio, then it will say unable to understand. So we again took this to take the feedback from the customer. We use this to ask him which product he want to give out his review. So we again do this to recognition and enable to. The sentences which we take from here are going to sentiment analysis, from which we can came to the end, so that whether it is positive, negative, or neutral, as you can see here. So these are the 4D phase by which we take the image, and then after editing this, it will automatically give the age and emotion days. So this is the command. I will provide the command in the down. So these are for sentiment analysis. So I will provide you the link for which library you have to install and how can you install them. So let us run the project. So it's going on a picture of the TV set. It is asking for the product. I like the picture quality of the TV, and sound quality is just excellent. It will convert to text, and then after this we will show a picture of the customer which we have clicked. It will take some time. Yes, we have this image. As you can see, customer is happy from the image. So let's go to the Python project. So as you can see, the picture quality of the TV and sound quality is just excellent. And here is the sentiment. The polarity is 0.2, subjectivity is 0.7. The review is about TV set given by person of age 24, man, happy, emotion, days white, and the review is positive. As you can see, it is positive. So this is my project.